hiccups. Those annoying jerks that come out of nowhere. But have you ever stopped to wonder why? It turns out the science behind the hiccup is a complete mystery. Scientists have theories, but the exact reason we hiccup remains a total head scratcher. We all know the feeling, that sudden involuntary contraction of our diaphragm muscle followed by the embarrassing hic sound. It can be caused by all sorts of things. Eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, even sudden changes in temperature. Normally, your diaphragm muscle helps you breathe. It contracts and relaxes, drawing air into lungs. But when it has a spasm, that quick involuntary contraction forces your vocal cord to close, creating the signature hiccup sound. So why do these spasms happen? Well, as we said, that's the big mystery. Some theories suggest it could be irritation to nerves that control your diaphragm. Others say it's a leftover reflex from when you were babies. The good news? Hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own within a few minutes. But if yours won't quit, see a doctor. There could be an underlying issue. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing facts.